Hi, my name is Daniel, and in this video I'll show you how to create a video carousel and add it to a Zyro website. Let's get started. The video carousel is a great addition to any website. To start, enter Common Ninja website. Choose your widget from our large collection of widgets. And once you've entered the widget page, click on the Create button to enter the video carousel editor. In the editor, you can edit the video content and add your videos. You can select a layout and customize the video carousel look and feel, and change the settings. When you're done, click the Save Changes button to save your work. If you don't have an account on Common Ninja yet, you'll have to register first. When you're ready to add the video carousel to your website, go back to the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, you'll see the widget you've created. Click on the Add to Website button. In the window that opens, copy the code and close the window. Remember, you can always return to the widget and keep on editing it. Now let's head to the Zyro editor. In the Zyro editor, click on Add Element. Select Embed Code. In the Embed Code element that was added, click the Enter Code button. Now, in the window that shows, simply add the widget code that you copied before. Click the Embed Code button. That's it. You can drag the widget and place it wherever you wish. Now, the video carousel will show on your website.